May giyera na naman. Kaibigan, while we are scrolling sa social media, makakapanood tayo ng balita tungkol sa war na nangyayari ngayon. Doon, may mga magulang na hindi alam kung buhay pa ang anak nila. May mga batang inosente na takot na, nagdurusa. May iba't ibang comment at opinion na pinapahayag ang bawat isa sa social media. Freedom of speech, ika nga nila. Habang may debate online kung sino ang tama or mali, may mga batang natutulog sa tunog ng bomba. Hindi alam kung anong susunod na kabanata sa buhay nila. Iran, United States, Israel, different flags, different leader. Pero pare-pareho ang iyak ng mga magulang. Pare-pareho ang takot ng mga bata. And here is the uncomfortable truth. Katotohanan na hindi natin namamalayan. War is not just happening out there. It is the amplified version of the same anger, pride, and division that we carry inside. Dito, sa loob natin. Yung simpleng ako ang tama, mali sila. Yung mabilis na pag-condemn. Yung galit na hindi na process sa mga puso natin dahil sa kawalan ng pang-unawa ng ating isipan sa kapwa. Collectively, when the ego scales, it becomes missiles. It becomes a weapon of mass destruction. We call it strategy. We call it defense. We call it justice. But strip away the politics. Strip away your opinions. It is still human beings hurting human beings. This is the madness of the collective unconsciousness. Nagsama-samang opinyon, pagsara ng puso ng bawat isa. We have advanced technology. But emotionally, we are still reactive, still divided, still operating from fear. Kung iisipin natin, dahil sa fear ng human mind, tayong mga tao, simula Homo sapiens kung saan nagsimula ang evolution ng human mind, ay 300,000 years pa lang dito sa Earth. Ang Earth, matagal na siya. Science would tell you that ang ating pinakamamahal na planeta is about 7.4 billion years na. So kung ang edad ng planet Earth ay ikukumpara sa 24 hours na clock time, it is only almost 1 second pa lang tayo dito. And yet, if you research, makikita mo na around 83 to 95% ng ating nasisira. Tapos, ang dami ng nuclear. Kaya nating tapusin yung sarili nating planeta, di ba? All of that is because of the collective fear of human mind that has passed down from generation. Hindi naman sa tinatakot ko kayo. Yun lang na makita natin ito, sapat na. Let's pause for a moment. Tahimik muna ang isipan. Kahit saglit lang. Kung fear ang dahilan, labang kasagutan. Kaya sana kaibigan, before you choose side, let's choose compassion. Before you repost hate, post awareness. Before you argue, bago tayo magbigay ng opinion, remember that every enemy has a parent, a kid, a family. This is not about being passive. This is about being conscious, being aware, without judgment. Not participating on another war, another hate, another fight. Real strength is not domination. Real power is not distraction. Real power is the ability to respond without hatred. If we want peace, if we want to heal our planet, it cannot start in the government. It starts in our own nervous systems. It starts in our homes. It starts in you. Heal your inner war, so we don't keep creating outer wars. Open your heart. One love, one humanity, one movement of life. Forgetting itself and trying to remember that you are loved. Yan ang essence ng gumawa sa atin. Love lang. Walang hanggan at walang kondisyong pagmamahal. This message speaks to you. Share it. Not to spread fear, but to spread sanity. Namaste.